Ceramics are the stuff you make armor plates and heat shields from, and also the stuff that shatters when you drop a mug. So here's the weird part. A team says they've made a smart ceramic that can survive bulk, real-world loading by hiding it inside metal. For years, researchers have chased shape memory ceramics, materials that can change their internal structure under stress or heat, then snap back. At tiny scales, that effect can show up. But scaling ceramics up is where things usually die, because brittleness wins. So what changed here? The new approach is simple to say and hard to do. Embed tiny functional ceramic particles into a metal matrix, like chocolate chips and cookie dough, then 3D. Print the composite in a way that doesn't melt it. That last part matters, because melting can create defects, segregation, and stress that brittle phases hate. The manufacturing method is called additive friction stir deposition, AFSD. Instead of blasting powder with a laser, AFSD uses intense friction and pressure from a rotating tool to plasticize material and forge it into solid-state layers, meaning it joins without fully melting. In the Virginia Tech write-up, the team describes feeding the mixture into an AFSD machine that spins raw materials fast enough to meld them together without melting. Think of the metal as a tough, continuous skeleton. The ceramic particles are the smart add-on, the part that can do the phase shift trick. Because the ceramics are dispersed and supported, they can transform locally without a single crack ripping through the entire part. The team's key claim is that the composite can absorb energy through stress-induced martensitic transformation. That's a phase change, an internal rearrangement triggered by stress. And phase changes can soak up energy, which is why shape memory behavior is so interesting for damping vibration or absorbing impacts. In the release, Hengyu says the composite can afford tension, bending, and compression and absorb energy through that stress-induced transformation. Translation: it's not a one-trick lab sample. It's aiming at real structural loading modes. The team describes the result as strong and defect-free and says it can be 3D, printed in bulk with full density in the as-printed state. If the underlying data supports that, it's a big deal because full density is one of the hardest promises in additive manufacturing. The immediate promise isn't a sci-fi robot. It's smarter structural parts, materials that keep strength but add a built-in way to dissipate vibration and impacts. The release points to defense, infrastructure, aerospace, and even sporting equipment. One example they give: a golf club shaft that reduces vibration while staying lightweight. Two things to watch as this moves forward. First, the numbers, how much energy absorption, how stable over cycles, and how consistent the print is across big parts. Second, what the ceramic phase actually is and how it holds up under heat, corrosion, and fatigue. The exciting part is the concept. Brittle smart ceramics may finally be usable at scale by letting metal do the heavy lifting. If you love mind-bending science, subscribe to SciByte and follow for more.